Hey, what's going on, good people? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. It's your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Today, we're whipping up some good old chili. Southwestern chili is gonna have corn, black beans, pinto beans, roasted chilies, and we're gonna do it low and slow. You better not miss it. So stick around. This is Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat. 13, baby. All right, so welcome back, good people. Listen, we doing chili today, man. Beef we doing beef. Yeah, I know it. Everybody got their chili. Is like barbecue. It's damn near like a competition. Everybody got their chili the way they fix it. But this is good old homemade Southwestern style chili that we serve at the restaurant. So check this out. We're gonna start here. We're gonna get the Stern 050 106 fired up once again. And see, lock it in. Yes, sir. We ready. So look, check this out. What we have here, we got stew meat, and then I have a 90-10 ground beef, grass-fed ground beef, the good stuff. And it's actually coarse ground just for chili. Check it out. What we're gonna do is we got the Stern 050 106 coming up. We're gonna go ahead and get about that much. That's a tablespoon for sure, for sure. So to that, we wanna get our meat going first, because we want to sear it off. Once again, get all them juices locked in. Some crispification, baby. To this stew meat, this is top round. And then, like I say, we got the 90-10 ground beef. We're gonna add, let's do a tablespoon of SPG. That's right, a tablespoon of magic dust. And it's that simple, just for the meat. A lot of people got their own recipe for chili. But today, we're doing a Southwestern style chili. So here, we diced up some sweet bell peppers. We got green and red bell peppers, a sweet Vidalia onion, and then we roasted some jalapeno peppers, poblano pepper. Key thing in chili, you gotta make sure you have your spice game right, baby. Your spice game got to be A1 Yola. Shout out to Dallas. I hope everybody's doing well. I know a big tornado just ripped through there with a cold front. Y'all know it's getting cold, so this is the month, this is the season for the chilies, the stews. Chili is basically a stew with seasonings and veggies, what you want to do. It was originated in South Texas, North Mexico, South Texas. Y'all drop it in the comment if you know where chili really came from, because when I was looking it up and I found that they told me South Texas, I'm gonna go with Texas, you know, and then they said Mexico. I love Mexico, so I'm torn right now. Drop it in the comments if you know where chili was originated. Also, I read back in the day with chili, it was like a cheat meal. You can fix it for low. You take the scrap meats, throw it in the pot, add some seasonings, and let it stew all day. Maybe some veggies if you get lucky. And that was the meal for the day. So this is very inexpensive. This is a cheap cut of that stew meat. Is always a top round, bottom round. It's not an expensive cut of beef, but it's delicious if you cook it right. 3 things in the restaurant business of being successful: location, dedication, and participation. You remember that. I guarantee you, think about it. Let it simmer for a minute. The meat is seared off, and it's looking real good, but it's nowhere close to being done. It's gonna be good in this chili, but we gotta let it cook. Let's add our veggies. 1 large sweet Vidalia onion, medium red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and then we also have our roasted jalapeno and poblano pepper. The hardest part about chili is getting everything in the pan, and after that, it's self-cook. It's gonna cook itself. If you're gonna do this chili, if you're gonna get in this chili game, you gotta have your spice game on point. So, for our spices, we're gonna start out straight out the gate with the key, baby. We got a tablespoon of magic dust, a tablespoon of SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic, a 1/4 cup of cumin. This is key, 1/2 cup of chili powder. All right, you wanna get that in there. That's not too much, trust me. A tablespoon of onion powder, cayenne pepper, paprika. For our spices, we good, we done. And we can add more to taste if we need to later. Let all that come together, get happy. Everything gonna marry just right, baby. This is homemade Southwestern style chili. See all them spices coming together? Let that cook down. We still not gonna add too much liquid yet, because we want everything to sear, we want the season to get toasty, get happy, baby. It's chili, we going up a notch. Listen, if you enjoying yourself like I am right now, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. Cause we always chilling with chili, baby. Jam-packed cooking style. Now that we added our spices, it's gonna start to get real toasty quick. Don't let it burn. 24 ounces. Now this is my own special blend of tomato sauce. I'll leave the recipe for it down in the description. You can stop and eat this right now. But you just wouldn't be a jam-packed cooker, baby. We gotta make sure we doing this right. To this chili stew, we're gonna add a couple bay leaves. That's gonna give it more depth and flavor. It's getting cold outside. Everybody wanna do the chill, Netflix, and chill and Netflix. Put you some chili on. She'll love you for this. I have some black beans, pinto beans, and corn mixture. Some people like it without. Some people think chili is nothing more but a bunch of meat and seasoning stewed down for over a long period of time. So you drop it in the comment if you like beans in your chili. Make sure you get everything tossed just right, baby. Once you get everything added, you wanna add 4 cups of agua. I know it seems like a lot of liquid, but that's gonna reduce down. We're going uncovered. We're gonna bring it up to a boil, reduce the heat, let it simmer, cover it up, let it simmer for about 2 hours. It's gonna be delicioso, baby. We got this chili up to a rolling boil, just like this. It's the bubbles. You gotta have the bubbles, baby. We need the bubbles. Turn it down just a little bit. Easy, baby. Calm down. She calm, baby. Simmer, just like that. You take your top, your lid, to your pot, whatever you cooking in. We're gonna cover it. Because if you don't cover it, you'll lose liquid or evaporate quick. You have to keep adding. So cover it up. Let it simmer for the first hour. Make sure you checking it and stirring it. We'll be right back. We got this covered up. Chillax. You know, find you something to do. It's cold outside. Go Netflix and chill while you're chili cooking, baby. It's Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Look, we'll be right back with this chili. All right, good people. Listen, it's about the time we've been chilling with the chili. There's one more step. Masa flour with a teaspoon of butter. Come here. You ready? Oh! That's right, baby. That's what you get when you go low and slow. All that meat has been breaking down. I told you it was gonna reduce in size. And that's the right consistency for some people. But for me, I want that corn taste. Hit it with just enough of this masa flour mixed with a teaspoon of butter. Put about a tablespoon in there. That's the last thing you do, and it's gonna tighten it right up. That's done. Let's plate it up, man. Let's get us a big old bowl of this chili. Take you a big old ladler and a big old bowl. Don't simp on the bowl, cause you're gonna be mad. Yeah, baby. Right there. Just about there. Come on over here. Little cheddar, onions. We going jalapenos, baby. After Netflix and chilling, we got chili. We throw some of that cornbread on the side, too. Yeah, baby. And you gotta make it official. You come over here, cheese just oozes. Make it official with the saltine crackers. Ain't nothing better than the cheddar. Come here. You have to try this chili out. Cold outside, you know, boot out. If you're Netflix and chilling, make sure you trying out this chili. Listen, good people, I love you for watching. Appreciate everything you're doing for the channel. It's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money, right here on Jam Packed Cooking. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. Cause we always jamming and cooking, baby. Right here on Jam Packed Cooking. Until next time, y'all stay jamming and cooking, baby. Come on, here, get your bite. Get your bite. And that's all for today, folks.